Hello, hello. Good morning, everybody. Can you guys hear me? 1, 2, 3, testing. Hello, 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 hello. Let me know. Can you hear me? All right. Okay. Good morning, everybody. Uh, good news is we are moving. The price is moving. Bad news is we again are going to open above the bull trigger. So just like yesterday, probably we will have to wait for a new retest or yeah, that it is what it is. All right. So don't worry, we're gonna have opportunities to trade today. Again, the trading plan is already there. Make sure you take a look in the whole thing, understand the whole thing. Remember that at 10 a.m. we're gonna have some news that could move the market a little bit. All right. Those are the levels of the day according to the pre-market. So for example, yesterday we had the minimum of the day. The minimum of the day was the level that we saw a lot of liquidity to hold the price on the pre-market. But in the end of the day, we broke all the levels, we broke the minimum of the day, and we saw the market maker accelerating the market yesterday. And this is actually what happened. When we see that we are breaking the gamma level, you will see that the market maker will try to hold. We're going to go down 5 or 10 points, and then we're going to bounce. And then if he can't hold, he's going to accelerate. He's going to sell with the market, right? And that's what happened yesterday. All right, so here you have the levels, and the trading plan is when we break 5,610, we're going to enter long to 5,620. Now listen, we are already above 610. So if you are crazy enough, you can already buy, right? But you might be stopped on the volatility of the opening or not. But the right thing to do is to wait for a retest on the bull trigger, right? Now, what if the price never comes back to the bull trigger, breaks the 620 and keep going? We're gonna wait for the retest on 620. We're gonna wait for the retest on 630 and goes like this. All right, guys. Okay. On this first one, pay attention what I'm gonna tell you right now. 620 is the target, right? But keep your eyes open on 618 because we might be losing strength on the 618. So when we reach 618, protect your trades, all right? Okay, so for example, yesterday, um, by the time that we are getting close to the target, we didn't reach the target for 2 points. But you know what? We reached the volatility line. So we touched the volatility line. We broke the VWAP on SPX. We touched the volatility line and we came back. We never touched the target for like a one and a half, 2 points, but there was a volatility line right there. So if we are going up, you see a VWAP, volatility line, and all those things, protect your trades. All right, guys. Okay. All right. So if the market starts going down and then we reach 600, 595 and comes back, meaning that's a fail breakdown, all right? So we can understand it's a rejection on 600. So this is going to be a good idea to buy towards 620 again, I guess, all right? A big trade right here, okay? Cool. Now, the bearish bias is when we break 595. So you see here, we're going to reject it. Here, we're going to break. Then we're going to start selling to 585. Where's target, right? And then if we break, come back, retest, then we're going to sell to 5,575 and keep going, right? Again, wait for the break and retest on 75 to confirm as resistance, and then we're going to keep selling to 5,550, right? Which could be the lowest of the day with a possible bounce. The end of the day, I think we're gonna have the direction of the day after Powell speaks. Okay, all right. Now, what you have to keep watching here is doesn't matter if you are going to trade ES. You keep your eyes open on SPX because all the levels that we work, we calculated the levels on SPX. So listen, it is okay for you to watch these levels and trade ES. I know the price is different. I know it might be a little bit faster. It's okay, right? But this is how we do it. We watch the levels here and we trade here. That's all right. And if we're trading the Quantico Cap Plus taper reading, we are just going to follow the trades here on this chart if you don't have the bot, right? Keep your eyes open for volume and momentum. I'm going to give you the trigger. VIX has to be, by the way, here you gotta see both bars green or both bars red, right? Now, VIX has to be going down for you to buy. VIX has to be going up for you to sell. All right. As you can see right now, we have a VIX going down as a major movement, and also yields going down. Like the bullish bias is a little bit more confirmed. Okay. Also keep your eyes open on DDF. This is the liquidity and where we are trading. So if you see the price, the white line is the price is trading on a blue area, we are trading on an area where the imbalance tells us that we are going to keep going up, right? Like it's a positive imbalance, like they are buying more that they are selling. And you're probably gonna go all the way to the strongest line here, and then we're gonna bounce back, all right? But forget about it. This thing right now, we have to wait like 2 or 3 minutes after the market open to get to the new levels, right? Here is the net flow accumulation or net option flow accumulation. This is flow. It's second by second. It's just gonna give you a quick idea of what people are doing on the positions above and below the price. They are buying or they are selling above or below the price, right? Okay, and it is what it is here on the DDF charts. You have to see which line is going above 60%. Remember that when the market open, we have to see where the lines are going, not where the lines are, because we have data from yesterday, okay? So if the red line is going up, it's because we are getting way more strong on puts, all right? After 5 minutes, we're gonna have the lines on the right place already, okay? Cool. And gamma levels, which is the most important here for us, we can see that we have a huge level 5,600, which could be a support because we are above this price, right? Then we have a huge range here above the price. We have like 50 points to go up, okay? So you have liquidity of puts and calls in all those levels. So all those bars are good to go. We might be reaching 650 today if Powell doesn't mess it up, all right? But in other hand, if we break 600, we also have a lot of range to go down as well. So it's pretty much like it's crazy. It's pretty much 100 points range today from 5,550 to 5,650. That's the range we're gonna go today. So with a range so big, what we have to use as a guide? The levels, the triggers, and the DDF. All right, guys, okay? Keep your eyes open on the DDF, right? Right. If you are trading the trading plan, awesome, good, keep going. The stop has to be around 5 points or behind a very important level like POC, BOF, or a strong support and resistance, right? It has to be behind that if you don't have any levels, 5 to 7 points. If you are trading NQ, keep your eyes open because this is super fast. If you are not trading NQ manually, you are going to do the bot on the new dashboard here, guys. You can see that you can access the bot right here, setup, blah blah blah. And we have a surprise for you guys. Next week, probably we're going to start with the technical. So we have QuanticoCap Plus taper reading, and very soon we're going to have QuanticoCap Plus technical, and that's going to be a different bot for you guys to trade SP. So we're going to have a bot. We're still going to have the bot to trade NQ, but we also going to have a bot to trade SQ. That's going to happen next week. Analyst gave us some instructions here. Keep your eyes open for the analyst. Make sure you have the sound active. And this is it, guys. So price is coming back. Thanks God, the price is coming back. So probably we will have a chance to buy the bull trigger. All right, market's gonna open in 5 minutes, but I can see right here that price is coming back. Probably is gonna be that test on the VOF before the market open, which is beautiful. I hope that happens. All right. So this is it. I will be on Discord talking to you guys. If you have any questions, let me know on Discord. I will be there with you. All right. And I hope you guys having a great day. Again, it is Friday. Friday, all right? Market should be closing on the maximum or the minimum of the day. We should have a lot of liquidity. We should have a lot of traps today. The analyst told me that we should have a lot of traps today. So be careful, all right? And most of all, trading is also knowing when not to trade. If you are trading with us, the trading plan and the bot, you are profitable every single day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you have already 4 days in profit. All right. Today's Friday is going to be a little bit more dangerous. It's going to be a little bit more traps. So if you want to have a good weekend, like you can just not trade today, all right? Or you can trade small, trade half of contracts, trade really, really small because it's Friday. Now, every time that you enter the market, you are taking risks. You know that, right? So you can go for it. Let's trade. Let's make money. Or you can save your earnings and go for the weekend and start to trade next week because next week we're going to have more news, should be moving more, right? Up to you what you're going to do. I'm going to trade and it is what it is. All right, guys. So I see you on Discord. Have an amazing day and bye-bye.